Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a virgin margarita at home. Start by gathering 2 Oz fresh lime juice, 1 Oz orange juice, 1 Oz simple syrup, ice, and a salt-trimmed glass. Prepare a shaker or blender and a lime wheel for garnish. Measure and balance sweetness and tartness, taste as you go, and adjust with more syrup or lime for a bright, refreshing mocktail and serve chilled. Use fresh citrus for the best flavor and avoid bottled mixes that taste flat. Measure with a jigger or small cup to keep 2, 1 lime to orange balance, and adjust sweetness with 1 Oz syrup as needed. For a blended texture, use crushed ice or blend briefly. For shaken clarity, use whole ice and strain, and always chill glasses before serving. Begin by combining liquids and syrup, then taste. Adjust with small increments of lime or syrup. For a frothy mocktail, add egg white substitute or aquafaba and dry shake before adding ice. Be cautious with volumes. To serve, rim the glass with salt or sugar, pour over fresh ice, garnish, and enjoy slowly to appreciate the balance. This helps you dial in the exact tartness and sweetness for parties or single servings.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.